Hi everyone! Exhibition days can be quite hectic and stressful, and at Quadrant 2 Design we understand that. That's why we strive to make it as stress-free as possible for you. While our installers can take care of the installation of Edge-Lit acrylics and ensure they function correctly, they won't be there during the exhibition days to turn the lights on and off or change the colours. Therefore, we have created a video that explains all the details of this popular feature. You don't have to worry about memorising the process or losing the instructions. Instead, you can come back to this video whenever you attend a show and watch it at your convenience. When you use the remote for the first time, the light should be set to cool white on a static function, as you can see here. You can then change the colour by using the multicolour circle in the middle of the remote. Once you are happy with the colour you have selected, the lights will stay on this even when turned off and on again. You can also increase or decrease the brightness of the lights by swiping right or left on the grey bar in the middle of the remote. To change the lights from static to colour changing, you can do this by pressing the M button, as you can see here. You can then select different functions by pressing M again. You can also change the speed of the transition by pressing either the S- or S+ buttons. If you wish to go back to the static cool white option, just hold the on button in the top left corner. If you have any questions about Edge-Lit displays or anything else, please don't hesitate to contact the Quadrant 2 Design team. We're always here to help.